Hello everybody, welcome to Being Civil. In this video, we will learn how to draw circle and ellipse in AutoCAD. Now, what are the parameters do you need to draw a circle? In a page of AutoCAD, you must have the coordinate point of the center and you must have the radius or the diameter of the circle. This is the information you have to in your hand to draw a circle. The center point, coordinate, and radius or diameter. Now, what is the command to draw circle in AutoCAD? The command is circle, or the shortcut C you can use to draw the circle. Now let's go to the AutoCAD. Circle. AutoCAD is asking to specify center point for the circle. You can give the coordinate of the center point, or else you can just click on your desired point as center. I'm click on any point on the screen, and now it's saying specify radius of circle or diameter. So if you put the value now, it will take radius. So I'm giving 5 and hit enter. This circle has a radius of 5 millimeter. Now I'm drawing another circle but using center point and diameter. To use the diameter, you must first write D, enter. Now diameter. I am now drawing the circle of same size, so giving 10 as diameter. So you see you have got exactly same circle. Now I am measuring the radius of this circle. It's saying R5 means R radius 5 millimeter. Now when you command C, you see you have 3 more options like 3P, 2P and TTR. What is this? Let's go back to our notebook. 3P, this means 3 points. This means you have 3 points in your hand and you want to draw a circle which goes through these 3 points. Then you have to use 3 points. Let's do it. Now there is a rectangle here, rectangle. You want to draw a circle which goes through these 3 corner points of these rectangles. So hit the command C. For selecting 3p, write 3p, hit enter. Now it's saying select first point on circle. Which is the first point you want to? I am clicking this endpoint. Now it's saying specify second point. I have specified the second point. Now saying specify third point. I am specifying this point. So you got a circle which goes to 3 points. But now you want to draw a circle through 3 points whose coordinate you know. Just hit C, 3p. Now I am giving the coordinate. Let 10 comma 0 0 comma 15 5 comma 5. You see the circle is here. Now for the second option, circle 2p. 2p means 2 points. Here you have to give the coordinates of two diametrically opposite points of a circle. It's saying select first endpoint of the circle's diameter. I have selected. Now it's saying the second point of the circle's diameter. So this is the 2-point circle drawing, whose one point is the 2 points are the opposite, diametrically opposite any 2 points of the circle. Now the third option is TTR. What is TTR? TTR, it means tan radius. Tan means tangent. Suppose you have two lines like this. The circle is tangent to both the lines like this. The circle may be here also for being tangent, maybe here also, but the radius varies. So in this case you have to give the two line which are tangent to the circle and the radius of the circle. AutoCAD will draw the circle with your desired radius at the exact position. Let's do the example. We have a line like this and a line like this. We have to draw a circle which is tangent to both these lines. So C for tangent radius, write T. This specify the point on the object for the first tangent of the circle. So I am selecting this. The second tangent is selecting is. Now the radius of the circle. Now I want to get a circle of radius 5 millimeter. So You see, this is 5 mm radius circle. Now you want to have a circle of 15 mm radius but tangent to these two lines. Selecting those and radius 15. So you see the circle is here for 10 mm radius. These 10. So this is the T-tier option of circle drawing in AutoCAD. That's all. In the next video, we'll learn how to draw ellipse in AutoCAD. Hope you like the video. Then give it a thumbs up, comment, share with your friends, and to get more from Being Civil, don't forget to subscribe and definitely hit the bell icon just beside the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.